Hey, what's up? Today we're going to talk about how to get two clients for the effort of one client. And with this strategy below, this has the potential to double the amount of clients you get without adding more time to your calendar, which is great. And if you would like the script that I am going to talk about today and be able to download it, just go ahead and type the word script in the comments below, and we will make sure we send that out to you. So the big idea here is we want to be able to include referrals in the process as early as possible. Potential clients are most likely to refer when they're hopeful and excited. And this includes when you schedule them for an appointment. That is actually one of the highest points of hope and excitement because they're like, I have a problem, someone gets it, and I'm actually going to go and have a conversation of how I'm going to solve the problem. This is something very exciting for them and they feel very hopeful. So there's a good opportunity here specifically for referrals. We actually get high success rates for referrals before people have to do a lot of the work that's involved in getting results. We also have more touch points earlier in their journey than later in their journey. So it keeps people from really slipping through the cracks. So when I was in my corporate job, I started to get to the point where I had more than enough leads that were generated by my company where I was able to keep my appointment full. But of course, like I wanted to do more, I wanted to do better, and referrals was something that I had built my previous career on. And so I was thinking about like how could I do this, but I actually don't have time to see more people. I had more appointment opportunities than really I could handle, but I knew that referrals were still the highest converting appointment. And when someone enrolls with a referral, their retention goes up, their completion goes up, their satisfaction goes up. So what I did instead is I just invited them to bring someone to their appointment. So this is exactly what I would say, and this is still, I just used this the other day and it was really well received. Oh, and by the way, between now and Monday, or the date of the event, if you think of someone who might like to join us, go ahead and invite them. I don't mind at all. The more the merrier. Just let me know so I can remember to bring something as a thank you. It's really, really simple. It's inclusive, it's kind. And I used it just the other day, and the person was like, oh, that's great. Thank you so much. I will think about it. There's a few things that will happen here. One, they'll just feel good and nothing will happen. So it's kind of like if you are invited to a party. They're like, yeah, do you want to come to our party with all these people you don't know? Like, oh, okay. And then you're like, and if you want, you can bring a friend. And all of a sudden your comfort level goes up and your resistance goes down because you have basically what we're doing is we're giving people a +1. Now, what they can do is they can take advantage of the +1 and then they're, double the party, which is great. But also, even if they decide not to do the +1, it's solidifying their commitment to the appointment. So what they might do is say, okay, well, I can't think of someone right now, but I'm really glad you offered. And now I've planted a seed for the future. And so there's virtually no risk in inviting them to bring someone with them to the appointment, and only upside, only a higher show rate, only resistance down, only the potential for additional clients, only the seeds planted. And so this is an effective approach. It will not work for every single appointment, but it does work when the situation is right on the referrer's end. So I hope that this was helpful for you. This is one of the many referral strategies that we are going to share in our Referral Advantage playbook. So if you need information on the workshop, just go ahead and put workshop below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.